Good morning. It is day 2 of the bank holiday, but it's not going so well. One, my windscreen is covered in whatever the trees are dropping out of it, sap and all sorts of stuff, and I've got a really bad back. Oh, I was in bed all day yesterday. We'll see how it goes. Sorry about that, my spine just snapped in half when I sneezed. Right, let's go and see what we can find, but I'm not in a great mood. I'm not in a great shape, to be honest with you. I'm really not in the mood for it because my spine is on fire. But let's go and see if we can find anything. Oh, it's obligatory air time then. Oh, my back. It's going to be one of those days, is it? Picking up all the crap no one else wanted again, I guess. Oh, get in there. Oh, man. Oh, guys. Oh, shut up, big mama. Oh. Let's see if there's any good stuff over here. Just a bunch of garbage. Just seen my nemesis in a grey Sprinter. That means he's already been round. Or I might just be ahead of him. Let's find out. Chair or something. Sorry guys, I'm going to keep moaning about my back. I am in absolute agony. Oh. Oh. Couple of bits here. This is the first time ever I'm hoping not to find the white goods. Can't believe I'm doing this, but there's a wash machine. There's a wash machine. Hope it's light. Days. Not gonna lie. Probably a stupid thing to do. Oh, I should have put that over there. Oh. The vandals here. Oh, we got a barbecue, boys and girls. Oh. Let's hope I can get the bloody thing in here. Or not back up further. Still being an idiot. The question is, oh, is it going to fit? Can I do it without making noise? I think we all know the answer to that one. See? Told you. Stuff is a nightmare. That was quiet. Let's get out of here. Oh, that was about as quiet as a mouse in a car crash, that was. It's like a rusty old wheelbarrow. Almost, you get. Oh. Caking concrete adds a bit more weight, doesn't it? I'll take it. There's nothing else. A couple of scrappy bits here. See if I can get them in. I think that barbecue's just going to be the way now, isn't it? Oh yeah. More bits of metal there. Just handy little stool. Oh, my back, man. Flipping heck. The rustiest error I've ever seen in my life. A bit of iron. Oh. Let's do that. Next, quick pluck and chuck. Just a quick one. Every little helps. Barbecue, but it's done me a massive favour by breaking it down already. Question is though, can I do it quietly? That was alright. Weighed about as much as a bit of paper though. Something I saw at the corner of my eye. Smell that. Where's the rest of it? What does that say? Before starting an exercise program, yada yada yada, make sure to stretch your back. Cool. Man, this van needs to sort out. I need to break that barbecue down and move some stuff around, but it's kind of difficult at the moment. Always got time for the obligatory stairgate. At least it's light. This van is an absolute mess. State of it in here. Carry on. We've got a few more areas to do. I'll make my way to Greg's, see if I can grab a coffee, sort this van out and make my way home. Right, so we've got some nice noisy scrap here. This should be fun. actually managed to do that without waking up the whole neighbourhood. It's incredible. But I really need to reorganise this van because, believe it or not, she's only actually about half full. Right, I'm going to make my way to Greggs quickly and see if I can sort this van out. We just basically got Northern and Bassat to do, I guess. If I can be bothered, I'll do it anyway. Let's see, let's go to Greggs, sort this van out. I want to grab a quick coffee and drop a couple of paracetamol and get this done. I just passed a pile of scrap, but I'm not able to get it in, so I'm going to go to Greggs, sort this out quick, and we'll come back this way, grab it, and then get on our way and try and get this done. I'll be back momentarily. I'll see you at Greggs. Bug on this summer with Lidl. Right, as you can see, I've made a bit of room. It took me a while. I gave up on the barbecue. It's just been one of them. So yeah, we're gonna pop up the road quick. I passed a bunch of metal, see if I can get it in. Finished the round, but we can get quite a bit more in here. I mean, we could get a lot more in here if I'd sorted it out properly, but I mean, look at the space down here. It's crazy. But yeah, I ain't got the back for it. Right, let's go and grab these bits. Pile of scrap here. See if I can get it. Not too much hassle. Without too much hassle, he says. Get it right. Nightmare. Nightmare. Noisy foxes here. Oh, mate. I'll take the kids' bike only because it's there with the scrap. Oh, get in the bloody van. Let's get out of here. I'll take a cable on this skip here. You know. So that. Don't mind if I do. Get out. Just a bit of light iron. Take some chairs. Should these fold, don't they? Work out eventually. Hey, there you work. Ow. Crush my fingers. Let's find a hole for him. Got a bad back, now I've got a bad hand. Oh, damn, that hurt. Parked in the road here. What's that? Oh, there's a wheel. Wheel and a bike frame. Sweet. My days. Shh. Oh man, I can't even move my legs properly. Vacuum. See? Vacuuming the lawnmower. I don't really want them, but I wouldn't mind the cables. So I'll just take both of them. Sod it. Good luck getting anything else in there. Right, boys and girls, foxes and vixens, that is it for this one. We are at the end of the round for today. I've done about all that I can, and I want to go home and lay down. Bad. And I've lost my snips. So we got, oh man, we got a bunch of stuff. We got a barbecue, we got a wash machine, we got a bunch of metal, we got some chairs, some stools, we got a trolley, a bike frame, bike wheel, hoover, lawnmower, box of lights in there. Oh, we got all sorts of stuff, but it's not really packed well. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go home and try and get out later if I can, and see if I can tidy this up somewhat, because we've still got tomorrow morning to go. I reckon I can get that area cleared and we can get another couple of appliances in there. That'd be cool. Yeah, that's it. That is it. She's pretty stacked, but there's quite a lot of room at the front there. Yeah, not my best stacking. You look down there, there's a massive hole down there. So I need to do something about that. Oh. At least I'll get to use my new hammer tomorrow at the scrapyard, taking some motors out. That'd be fun. Right. Oh, we also got a bunch of cable. Sorry about the moaning and groaning. Got that bunch of cable there as well. It's pretty decent. Yeah, that is it, guys. It's over. I'm going home. I'm going to drop a couple of paracetamol and lay on my chest on the floor for the next couple of hours, I think, and try and sort out my back. So it's a pretty bad one, but yeah. What are we on now? Oh, I didn't even get yesterday's video up. I need to get home. I need to try and put these videos together, or it's going to be a bit of a disaster. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got. That's it for this one. Until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be. And until then, keep it 10. And if you wouldn't mind giving this a thumbs up, I'd really appreciate it. I mean, I really deserve like 1 million thumbs up on this video just for effort. So give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because only 21% of my subscribers have their notifications turned on. So that's not great. And only 34% of you watch my content anyway, so yeah. Look, I'll be honest, like the channel's sort of dying. It's not doing great. It's slowly falling, but we're gonna keep going. I do like the videos now and then. It's pretty good. It is hard work, but for the channel to grow, I need to make improvements, and to make improvements, I need new software. I need a new camera. My van needs to be fixed, and it's just not paying for it. So yeah, so we keep going till the camera breaks, basically, and then we see what happens. But hopefully we make it till September, because that'll be 3 years, which would be good, even though I had a 9-month hiatus. But anyway, I'm rambling. Right, I'm done. It's over. Be cool, be kind, and all that jazz. And I'll see you next time. Until then, keep it 10. Love. Hope you enjoyed your weekend. Mine was rubbish, because I was laid on the floor most of it. Right. I'm going home. I'll see you later, guys. Love yous.